What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Buy Low Sell Shy. I'm your host Shy. In today's video, we're going to basically do a live unboxing of the American Silver Eagle Navy Privy. It just came in the mail today. It just hit my mailbox, and I'm also going to show you the Army Privy and the lazy Privy, the laser Privy that came out. So I have not unboxed mine yet. So I just want to do basically a live unboxing, a little old school, and for your entertainment purposes only. Maybe you've gotten one, maybe you want to compare it to the one I just got. So let's start with this bad boy here. So this is fresh. That's what I paid because this is my third coin. So the fourth coin I'll buy from the U.S. Mint. I won't be charged shipping and handling. But you have to make sure you have an account established with them. Yes, it comes in the blue box. Thank goodness. That black box in the laser privy is garbage. So let's get this bad boy opened. And let's get our other ones open here. So here is the laser privy one. And here is the Army privy one. Okay, do not throw away your boxes and your packaging. People will pay extra for it. So, we've got, let's do a little review on the outer packaging. So this has United States Navy. This has United States Army. Okay, and this is the cheap Chinese packaging for the laser privy or the laser engraved one. All right, let's get the Navy one open here. So you slide it open. There we go. Nice, beautiful blue box. Love this. And let's take a look at our certificate here. Excellent. People get these graded too. People get these signed by the mint person. I don't know who the mint person is. A little ignorant, not really paying attention, but we got 1 ounce of silver, and silver today, it's October 20th. Silver is close to $52. Here is the beautiful, beautiful felt case that these come in. Let's take a look. Oh, yes, there it is. Let's get some zoom action in on this bad boy. Beautiful. Wow. What a nice job, U.S. Mint, or West Point Mint. There is the Navy seal. We're going to get even closer. Probably have to put our finger here so it focuses. There it is. It says Navy. So absolutely beautiful, stunning coin. These are no-brainers. If you didn't get one, I'm sorry. They are selling right now as I'm taping this. $240 plus $5 shipping on eBay. And not sure what your local coin shop is going to charge for it because it just came out. But if they're selling it in their shop or they're giving you money for it, chances are they're probably also going to be selling it for at least $220 inside the coin shop because they don't have to pay eBay fees. Now let's take a look at the back. These are in there nice and tight too, which is good. Wow, that's in there real tight. We're going to show the reverse. Dude, wow, that was in there tight. That is the reverse, the Flying Eagle. And oh, I'm dumb. It's not West Point Mint. This is a San Francisco minted coin. I always get tricked by that. Do you guys get tricked by that W there too? I don't know what that stands for, but it's not West Point Mint. These are made in San Francisco. All right. Let's do a little comparison, shall we? So we've got, I know the Army Privy one is made in West Point Mint. Okay. So here's the West Point Mint certificate. And here's that coin. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Did the West Point Mint, now again, this is West Point. So we'll flip it around. There it is. There's the W for West Point. So let's do an actual deep dive on the privy. Let's see. Who did a better job putting a privy on the coin? Okay. That's the Army privy. And let's get the Navy privy. I don't know, guys. It's a toss-up. That Navy privy looks a little blurry. Again, I'm doing my best with my camera here. It's my cell phone, so bear with me. Army, Navy. Let's get them side by side. Can we get them focused in? I think the Army Privy is nicer. Ooh, what do you guys think? Here it is. I think the Army West Point Mint Army Privy is a little more detailed and is actually a little clearer. See how like Navy, you can barely make out Navy on there? It's kind of junk, not as clear and crisp. And look at the Army Privy. So yeah, there is definitely more quality at West Point Mint than there is at San Francisco Mint. Now let's look at the lettering, the die hit. Let's take a look at her head. See, there's more detail on the Army Privy. See the San Francisco minted head? There's not as much detail. Look at the Army Privy. Look at the San Francisco. Her head looks a little different. Little different. All right, let's take a look at the date, the font on the dates. So here is the Army Privy. Here is the San Francisco Navy Privy. Yeah, dates look good. Let's take a look at the back of the Eagle. Okay, so there's the West Point Mint Army Privy one, and here is the San Francisco. So yeah, there is something to be said. The West Point Mint, I think, does a nicer job, at least on the Privy itself, but everything else is pretty much the same. Her head has a little more detail. So I'm going to say the Army Privy thus far is far superior as far as quality control. Now, your Privy might look different than mine. Yours might be better, but my San Francisco minted Navy Privy is kind of, I don't know, just not as detailed. So that's that. And then for those who know that this laser Privy is kind of the bust, you're lucky to get your money back. I got offered $100 for this coin. And I was like, dude, really? I can't even get my money back at my local coin shop. So your local coin shop doesn't want the laser Privy, which means the public doesn't want the laser Privy. And again, here is the packaging. It's so Chinese. It's not even funny. It's very cheesy looking. Looks like another company besides the US Mint actually made this. But the coin itself is in great shape. And here is the laser Privy. And I believe the laser Privy is also West Point Mint. So it's got the nice quality control, but just the way they present it and the fact that it is not affiliated with the U.S. military, it's kind of the dud. It's kind of the spud. And it's the same mintage amount of the Navy and the Army Privy, but nobody wants this coin. Now, later on, someone might want this coin because that's usually what happens. But right now, you're not going to be able to sell this for more than $135. I think these were going for with free shipping on eBay, which basically means you make, if you're lucky, $5-10. So that sucks. So sorry if you bought the laser Privy like I did. You're going to have to hold on to that one a little bit longer. But I feel even like the packaging alone, it reminds me of like getting a proof Morgan silver dollar, you know, the modern ones. Dude, nobody cares about those. Nobody cares about those so much that they even have plenty of these available on their US Mint website from last year. So, I mean, they're beautiful looking coins, but don't buy those from the US Mint. But definitely, if you guys got the Navy Privy, that's awesome. I'm definitely looking forward to getting the Marine Privy. And not so sure about the Coast Guard one or the National Guard. Is it a Coast Guard one or National Guard? Sorry, not very Privy-like, but definitely want to get the Marine one. The Air Force Privy, that'll be a definite go. So these are beautiful coins. I'm never going to sell them, no matter what. I'm not going to get them graded. I might buy more later on if they come down in value, although I think they're going to continually go up. So I think the Army Privy and the Navy Privy are going to go the way of the V75 75th anniversary Privy from 2020. And that's where these guys are going to be at as well. So congratulations if you got one. Shout out to Son of a Silver Stacker. His channel is awesome. I go on his channel live when people are buying, and he actually reminded me to buy the Navy Privy. So I was not like the others that were waiting in line. I literally clicked on his live. I said, oh yeah, I got to buy that Navy Privy. I forgot. And then I went on the US Mint government website. It took me 2 minutes to check out. So I had a very nice, positive experience. All right, so we're going to put these bad boys back in. Do keep your government mint packaging, including your original box. Yes, people do want it. It does make a difference if you're selling on eBay. Now, if you're bringing it to the coin shop, they don't want this box. That's too much work. So appreciate you guys watching my channel. Hopefully you've learned something. I'm excited to get this. I'm excited that it's worth double, but again, it doesn't matter. I'm not flipping this. I'm not reselling this. I would have a hard time doing that. This is a beautiful coin. Congratulations to those of you who bought one. Let me know. I'm going to put a little link here too on the next video, which is something I recommend you do to upgrade your stack or upgrade the silver you have lying around in your collection. So guys, if you have call Morgan silver dollars or you have call peace dollars, coin shops are paying $35 a piece for them. So, and a mint state 63 graded Morgan silver dollar sells on eBay for like 70 bucks. So take your call junk, take your junk silver, and go get yourself some pretty silver. Go get some semi-numismatic. Go get some American Silver Eagles. If you have mint state 69 graded American Silver Eagles, go get $52 for them from your local coin shop and upgrade them to mint state 70s. Or get stuff like this if they have the coin shop and you missed the boat. So if you didn't buy one of these from the U.S. Mint, and let's say your coin shop's selling it for $200 because they don't have to pay eBay fees, and they just gave someone like 150 bucks for one, so they're cool to make a quick 50 bucks. Trade in your call dollars, trade in your junk silver, get yourself some super nice and collectible. Again, you're not losing out on the silver value. You're just upgrading it. Get some nice stuff to add to your collection, stuff that people will actually want later on in case the price of silver goes down. These will always be holding their value, just like the V75, and it does not have to be graded. So appreciate you guys watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm always going to open up new coins, have that experience with you. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And again, bring in your junk, upgrade it. Bring in your junk, use it for money, maybe convert some of it to gold, maybe get that collectible coin you always wanted or you missed the boat on. Well, now you can bring in your junk call dollars for 35 bucks. You can bring in your junk scratched, milk spotted American Silver Eagles. You'll get $51 for it and use it to get something nicer. Get some graded Morgans, get some BU Morgans, get some raw ones, whatever you're into. Upgrade your stuff. Now is the time because numismatics is pretty much on the going out because of the fact that silver has jumped up so dramatically. So now is the time to pounce on the collectors that have not the collectible coins that have not gone up exponentially in the same percentage that silver has. So this is your opportunity to upgrade your stuff and have some prettier stuff to look at. So when you're looking at your coin collection, you've got a stack of silver sitting in tubes. Guys, why? It's at an all-time high. Take that stack. Seriously, think about it this way. You can bring in a stack of 20 American Silver Eagles, okay? Get $52 a piece for it, and you can probably buy 18 proof American Silver Eagles with the certificate, with the nice case, with everything. You could probably get those for 60 bucks. So you could pay an $8 premium or just trade in just a roll. Let's say you trade in a roll of American Silver Eagles. You can probably walk out with like 17 proof American Silver Eagles. That's crazy. Why wouldn't you do that? People are going to care about the proof silver dollar or the proof silver eagle way more than they are just the regular generic stack of American Silver Eagles. But again, that's just my suggestion. That's what's going on. Bring in 2 call Morgan silver dollars, walk out with a mint state 63 graded. Why not? All right, talk to you guys on the next one. Stay healthy out there. Hopefully, you guys, you're enjoying this time. You're excited. You did a good job. You collected silver coins, and now is the time to upgrade your stack. Talk to you in the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.